Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bayola Party Heaven, and Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Hey! I'm so happy. Christmas is like my best time of the year. I do not know why. I just feel really like excited and happy, thankful we were able to make the Christmas of this year. Sad some of us are not here anymore, but may God rest their souls. Anyway, guys, so you remember the live video we did last weekend? This is the end result, and I promised I was going to like show you the end result, so I thought let me show you what happened at the end. So the initial setup, the video I showed you at the beginning of this video, was the initial setup we did together. So I finished up the bottom parts by putting a mini frame cake table and attaching balloons to it, to give it that extra elegance. And I added the light up number. So also what the plan was, because it was a 60th birthday, they planned that they were going to like have like 10 people over and then put like a marquee at in their garden, which I organized. So we were supposed to like do the table setting in the garden, which you can see I am doing now. I'm trying to like put the napkins on the charger plate, and just making it look pretty and nice. I'm not really a great fan of doing the napkins. I just do it the best way I can. You would notice that I did it this way at first, then I changed it again because I didn't like the way it looked. No, it wasn't even like I didn't like the way it looked. I found out that I had rings, the napkin rings. I had it in the bag the napkin was. All these items I hire from a friend that does hiring, so it's not like the tables, the chairs, the napkins, or the charger plates are mine. I mainly do balloons, but I have clients that want me to like style their guest tables and all of that, and obviously I would not refuse. So I do this like part of my cake table styling. I also style the guest table and decorate it, though a lot of people do not know about this side of my business. So with this setting, we had 10 Chivari chairs, we had the table, we had tablecloth, we had the charger plates, we had napkins, we had cutleries, we had wine glass, and we had I think like a glass cup or something. We had the centerpieces, candle holders, and all of that. That helped bring the table to life. And then the clients were now like, okay, are we just going to like set up this space without bringing the balloons into the marquee? Because the space inside the house was really small. I could barely take pictures at the end of my creation. I couldn't get a really nice picture. It was super tight. So they said to me, okay, it will be nice to be able to like move the balloons into the marquee. Bearing in mind, the garden does not link into the house. You have to like go outside of the house, then get into the garden at the back. So what I did was I cut up the balloons into 3 sections with the balloons was attached to the frame anyway. So I left it on the frame, but cut it into 3 pieces. So each balloon was still on their frame, and then I brought it into the marquee. Then I linked them again, and it looked beautiful. So stay tuned and see what I did at the end of the video. So yeah, guys, I'm wishing you guys a Merry Christmas. This is like a Christmas setup special, and I hope you enjoy watching this after you've had so much to eat. I'll see you again next week on Tuesday with another beautiful tutorial. I've got great plans for the new year. Thank you guys for staying with me in the whole of 2020. Welcome to new subscribers, the new people that here on my channel. This channel is a free zone. Ask me any questions and I'll reply you. So also, guys, quick one. My Instagram, I've set up a new Instagram mainly for my YouTube channel. It's called at Biola Party Heaven. You can send me messages there, ask questions there. I prefer to answer questions on there because then it doesn't mix up with my business page, if you get what I mean. So please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Biola Party Heaven. I would love to, connect with you on Instagram. I'm going to put the link in the description. So the balloons I used, if you're new and you've not seen the video before this video, please go check. I'm going to put in the description of this video so you see the initial creation we made with the balloons and what I ended up doing with it at the end. Both setups, and guess what, it wasn't even the same day, guys. It wasn't the same day. It was the second day I broke up the balloons and brought them into the marquee. So you can imagine, and it still looked fresh. So that's the good thing about using quality balloons. And that is why I keep saying to you guys, please ensure you're charging right for your work. Ensure they are paying you well, because if they are paying you well, then you're able to buy good balloons. Do you get what I mean? So make sure you're charging right. If you're doing it for yourself, make sure you're buying quality balloons. Quality balloons that I believe in are tried and trusted for many years. Qualitex, Sempertex. I started using Tuftex and I find their balloons really good. The 16 inches black balloons I used in this video were Tuftex. No, was it Tuf? No, it wasn't. I think it was Qualitex. But the and Bell Bow is quite good too. Bell Bow, yeah, the black in this video, 12 inches, was some of it was Bell Bow, some of it was Sempertex, and I didn't double stuff anything. The reflex balloon, the gold chrome and chrome silver were Sempertex too. Great quality. So I had to go back there to pop the balloons. You will see the popping bits while I was breaking down the balloons at the end of the video. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching how I set up this beautiful space. It is something you guys could add to what you do. Try and promote this aspect to get people to work with that would hire stuff to you. You don't have to buy the stuff yourself. People that hire the stuff, they've got like vendor prices, so I'm sure they'll be reasonable with their prices, so you can make your own money out of it too. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Wishing you a merry Christmas and a happy new year. So I'm gonna have a New Year special too, so don't worry, we're gonna be putting up a video on New Year's Day next week, Friday. Enjoy the rest of your Christmas day. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Please remember to like, comment. I would love to read from you today. It's Christmas Day, so please do not watch this video without commenting and telling me what you think. Would you try to do this? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the way the garland ended up. Bye, guys. Thank you.